Keep seeing people set their under eyes incorrectly, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Take your setting powder, give it a good shake, tap, tap, tap. With this powder, I do shake it a bit so all of the colors mix up. I have my concealer on, but I'm going to run through and pat to remove any last minute creasing. Take your puff, press down in there. It'll look like this, and then you're going to press that powder into the puff like so. It'll give you an even application, and then you're going to go in and set your under eye. Take a fluffy brush and just soften the edges there. Look how seamless that under eye is compared to this side. Do the same thing on this side, but go ahead and smooth out the concealer again, because just from talking, the product already moved and you saw more creasing right there. Press in your powder, lock it in place. Smooth out the edges. This is so perfect. It is not cakey at all. I'm gonna press the powder in right here. Let me add some powder blush and I'll be right back. That is how you get a perfect under eye every single time. See you guys next time. Bye.